grab you a glass of wine, sis. I'm not the wife that cooks every day, but you got to be careful now because God is funny. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiana. Thank you all so much for coming back with me today because today is going to be a good one. In today's video, I will be telling y'all 3 different things I did to manifest my dream husband. And I just want to share that with you guys because I'm sure there are so many of us out there that has been praying to God to just bring them their dream husband, and it just has not happened for them yet. So my goal today is just to leave you with these 3 key points that help me manifest my dream husband. So if this is something that you are interested in, make sure to grab your iPad to write on or your journal, notebook, anything that you need to jot these 3 things down. Also, grab you a glass of wine, sis. I have mine here. This is Menage a Trois, my favorite wine, and we gonna hop right into it. Okay, so first I'm just gonna grab my wine, give it a little twirl, baby, sniff it. Oh, it smells so good. And take me a drink. This is so good. This is my favorite wine. So first on the list, how to manifest your husband, baby. So what I did, I had to become the woman that I wanted to be for my husband. So I knew that I wasn't going to be the one to cook every day, but you may. So if that's something that you desire to do, to cook for your husband, for your family every single day, then start implementing that into your daily routine now. When you come home from work, you put your stuff down, take your shower, get dinner prepared, even if it's just for you or just for yourself and your children. Go ahead and get into that routine. So once your husband comes into your life, it's not something that'll be detrimental. It's not just a lifestyle change that you'll have to make now that you have a husband. You'll have already prepared for this moment, and it'll be second nature to you. You can just hop right into it and just start cooking for your husband if that's something that you desire to do. For me, that wasn't it. Yeah, I'm not the wife that cooks every day, but my family does. Also, under becoming the kind of woman that you want for your husband is also to prepare your mind for that. So start with daily affirmations. God, I thank you for this amazing husband that you placed in my life. God, I thank you for the amazing family that you gave me. God, I thank you for my husband. God, I thank you for my family. Those are the type of things that you will want to start saying to prepare your mind. Start thinking as a wife should think. I did every last one of those things. I did my daily affirmations, thanking God for the husband that I have, although I did not have a husband yet. But I was just thanking God in advance because I knew that He was going to bless me with an amazing husband. And I also wanted to continue to become the kind of wife that I knew my husband would want. Tip number 2, start looking the part. For me, I stopped dressing worldly and start dressing more modestly. So instead of wearing any low-cut tops, really short shorts, short skirt, fishnet leggings, or tights or whatever they are, I stopped wearing those type things, or the bodycon dresses. I stopped wearing those type things because I knew if I wanted God to bless me with this over-the-top amazing husband who only had eyes for me, then I was gonna have to change the way that I looked and dressed. So I started dressing more modestly. I would cover up my chest. I wouldn't wear a lot of form-fitting clothing. I threw out the fishnets because those are just, that's not something that I wanted to wear for my husband. Instead of the 6-inch heels, I went down to the 2.5, 3-inch, 4-inch heels. I just started elevating my look. Instead of going out of the house with just any old leggings and a baggy t-shirt on, I started elevating that look. So if I wanted to wear leggings outside of the house, it was a nice pair of leggings, or I would wear a two-piece set. So I would either get something from Lululemon that was a two-piece set, a Target two-piece set. Skims have a really nice two-piece sets. I would get those, and if I didn't want to wear leggings and I wanted to wear like a sweatpant, I would get an elevated sweatpant. So like something from Aritzia or Zara, just a nice thick heavy sweatpant, and I would get a nice t-shirt that would lay nice, not like a Hanes t-shirt or anything like that, but just a really nice high quality t-shirt. Just an elevated basic is what I would wear. And I would make sure I had on nice sandals, so like a Gucci slide, or just a Bottega slide, just a regular slide, or any slide. You can find nice slides or mules from Target. So I would just make sure I had on a really nice sandal with my elevated casual wear. I also wanted to make sure that I had my nails groomed. I mean, because my man could be right outside the door and propose to me, and I got trash nails. So I always try to keep my nails well nice and groomed with a nice French tip. I didn't like any long nails, the hood nails. I did not want that. I wanted something more classy and modest. So I kept my nails done, always kept my hair done. I didn't do the 30-inch bust downs. I kept something nice and modest looking. Something that says, she's a wife. The last thing on the list that I personally did every single day, and I continue to do it to this day, is pray. You got to pray, baby. You got to get down on your knees and tell God exactly what it is that your heart desires and what you want. But you got to be careful now, because God is funny. You just can't say, God, I really want a husband. I want a good man. You got to be very specific, very detailed, and let God know exactly what it is that you want. And you have to do it privately. Don't tell anybody about your prayers, because the devil be listening to you as well. So you want to make sure you just get a great relationship with God and let him know what you want. So if you want your man to be chocolate, tall, nice buttery skin, waves, loves his mom, grew up in a 2-parent healthy household, both mom and dad was present, no kids or grown kids. You want him to be 35 to 55. You want him to work in corporate America. You want him to be a surgeon, a doctor, a lawyer. You have to list all of these things out that you want in your husband. It's almost like you building your man with God. Like you talking to him. You going to the workshop. So at night when you get down on your knees, you in the workshop. You building your man with God. You gotta tell him what you want, because he cooking him up for you. So that's what I did. I prayed every single night, every day. And God blessed me with my husband. And before he did that, so I would pray in the morning time when I would get up, God, I thank you for my husband. I thank you for the exact husband that I prayed for. That's exactly what I did. And before I knew it, I mean, God just blew my mind with my amazing husband. So I'm telling you, if you follow these 3 steps, you too will be blessed with your dream husband. So this brings us to the end of the video, babes. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you have gained so much knowledge as to how to manifest your husband. Also, y'all know that I am newly married. God did his big one. So if you are married yourself, I would love to read some marital advice from you guys. So if you would just drop that down below in the comment section, I'll be down there and I'll be sure to respond. So if you enjoyed the video as much as I have, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one, babes. Mwah. Bye.